Yeah, H is a constant.
So if you solve for FO, but you didn't have W, is it like when the work function moment and energy?
Can you say that again? The last part?
Like if you have two unknowns
Yeah.
and you're solving for like FO,
Okay.
you don't have your work, do you use like one of the...
Yeah, you would be able to like use the incident light is equal to EK plus W. You could find W first and then put it in and find your FO. Don't get too excited. We'll do some examples. Let me do some examples before you get too excited, okay? Yes? So the kinetic energy of the emitted electrons could be measured by applying a voltage potential difference to the photoelectric apparatus, which would decelerate the electrons to a stop. This is known as the stopping voltage and is represented by this equation. So if we had maximum kinetic energy, we knew the charge of the electron, okay, we're told that 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19, and V stops. So how much voltage is required to stop that electron? So depending what information you're given, you can use information from all these three formulas and kind of work with them to put it together. So for this first example, the threshold frequency is 1.14. So that's our FO is equal to 1.14 times 10 to the 15 hertz. What is the work function of the metal? So it's saying like if that's the frequency that the threshold of that metal, how much work would need to be done in order to eject an electron from that metal? So you can pick again either H is okay. It just will determine if your answer is in joules or EV. So say I pick H is equal to 4.14 times 10 to the negative 15 EV times seconds. So W is equal to H times FO. So W is 4.14 times 10 to the negative 15 EV times seconds times by 1 times 10 to the 1.14 times 10 to the 15. And when I write hertz, sometimes I like to go 1 over S so that I can see how the units cross off. Because hertz is the same thing as 1 over S, or 1 second, 1 per second. So then your W is equal to 4.7196 EV. Do you want me to do it with the other H as well?
So that's just the answer?
To sig digs then 4.2 or 4.72 EV. If you did it the other way with another H, it would be in joules, and it would be a different number, but you would have different units.
So it says, what is the work function? You are finding like... Why is it called work function and not just work?
I guess you could just call it work.
Doesn't matter what H you use.
Nope. You would have a different answer, but your answer would be in joules. So say, so if the question says answer in joules, then it depends which H you use. So say we do H is equal to, what is it, 6.63 or something? 6.63 times 10 to the negative 34 joule times seconds. So W is 6.63 times 10 to the negative 34 joules times seconds, multiplied by 1.14 times 10 to the 15, 1 over S. So my seconds cross off. And what, do you guys have, did anyone do this one? No? So 6.63 second E. So this is 7.558 times 10 to the negative 19 joules. So W is equal to 7.56 times 10 to the negative 19. So see, they're very different numbers, but they're still correct, okay? Just different units. Okay.